Hello, friends! Today, we're going to learn about shapes and how many sides they have. This is a square. A square has 4 equal sides. This is a rectangle. It also has 4 sides, but the sides are not all the same. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. This is a circle. A circle has no sides. It's just round. This is a diamond. It has 4 sides, just like a square. This is an oval. Like a circle, it has no sides. It looks like an egg. This is a star. A star has 10 straight lines that make 5 points. This is a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. This is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides, like a honeycomb. This is an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides, like a stop sign. Great job, friends! Today we learned about squares, rectangles, triangles, circles, diamonds, ovals, stars, pentagons, hexagons, and octagons. Shapes are all around us.